Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It's WPB Teacher 8. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a video in forever. I have to admit I am a teacher, so once school starts it's like forget it. I don't feel like doing anything, and then I had knee surgery and so I've been recuperating from that. However, I have 3 new goodies for you. 1, 2, 3. This one I've already I used it one day, so that's more of a reveal, but these 2 are unboxings. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. And like I said, I've got all of these within the past month. So I'll just go one by one. So this one I got at the Louis Vuitton Christmas party. I got an invitation from my sales associate to go to their party. And they just have champagne and hors d'oeuvres. And you mingle and hobnob and do stuff like that. And it's fun because you get to talk to other people who love purses and Louis Vuitton too. So then you don't feel weird or awkward talking to some stranger about this because you're all there for the same reason. So anyways, this was my Christmas present and it's still in the box. I haven't used it because it is a monogram piece and it's a SLG, and I'm not using any of my monogram stuff right now. I'm using my Damier Ben. So that's why I haven't been in a rush to take it out of the box. But I did want to show you guys, I got one of the catalogs they have there. And look, they have the cute world tour stickers in them. That's so cute. I'm probably going to put them on one of my laptops or something. So I got the catalog that just has, you know, it's like a little catalog newsletter kind of thing. And then, I also want to show you, look, I got chocolates. They give out Louis Vuitton chocolates. This is the first time I've been to a few of their events, and this is the first time that they ever, I don't know, they don't give you like a thank you for coming gift, but sometimes they give you like a little something. But these, look at these. How cute is that? And they're dark chocolate. I have no idea what's in the middle, but I thought that was really cute, and they're all different colors. So those are chocolates. So I've been waiting to eat those because I needed to do the video first. Isn't that funny? So I was like, I'm not going to eat them till I do the video. So, and they smell really good too. So those were the chocolates. I'm just going to put those to the side. And then here's my box. The box is huge for the item inside. I don't know. I've bought these before, and it's the same thing. They give you the huge box for the little item. So I'll just show you guys what I got. Look, look, see, it's so little. It's like this huge box. Even if you put it like that, it makes it look worse. But anyways, so I got the cosmetic paste, the cosmetic case in the monogram. This was my like little Christmas present. I never buy a bag during Christmas. I guess I just don't want to spend that much money because I'm always spending it on other people, so I don't, but I got a little something. So this is a cosmetic case. I have this in the Damier Ben, and I really like it, so I decided to go ahead and get the monogram. I've had this before in the multicolor, and I sold those. Not because I didn't like it, it was just because you guys know the multicolor will eventually rub off. So I had the black and the white multicolor, and I sold both those. But anyways, it's your typical cosmetic pouch. This one is made in France. So, yep, so that's that. So I won't be using that until like maybe March or something. So that's my first gift. Okay, the second one's a reveal. I'll just go ahead and show you guys what it is. Ta-da! Okay, so if you're like, wait, hold up, back up. I've seen you with this purse before. I did a video on my Sienna MM and how I didn't like the zipper because when I held the purse, the zipper bent like this because there was like, I guess, too much open space or whatever, but the straps would bend the zipper, right? So I sold that one, and now I repurchased the PM size. So this is the smaller. Now I've only used this one time because you can see I already have some of my stuff in it. So I've only used it one time, so I can't really give a good review on it right now, but I'm hoping that the smaller size works out for me. I really miss that bag. I love the way it looks. I like that it's carefree. I'm trying to move away from bags with Vachetta right now, and I'm just trying to go for those all-weather bags considering I live in Florida and it rains all the time. So I decided to give the PM a try, so we'll see how this works out. I guess I'll use it for a little bit and do a review on that. And I got this off the Facebook page I've told you guys about called Louis Vuitton Addicted Buy, Sell, and Chat. And I bought this from a girl, and she lives in the Philippines, but I did not have to pay customs fee because her husband is on a U.S. Navy base. So it got sent over just like it's regular U.S. mail. And so I didn't get charged customs. And the best part was I got $500 off retail. So she gave me an excellent price on the bag. And I couldn't say no. So I just think it's so gorgeous. I really like this style. So I'm hoping it works out for me. But you never know. Like I said, I've only used it one time. So I can't give a good review on that. Okay, so that's item number 2. And this one is in a bigger box. I just got this one last night. I sold 2 bags. I sold my Petite Noe in the old model. And I had a Tivoli PM that was like it was like spotless. It was spotless. It was immaculate. And I sold that on the Facebook page too. So I had sold those 2 bags to get this bag. And like I said, I'm trying to move away from bags with Vachetta. So I decided to sell those 2 bags. Let's see if I can get this out here. I decided to sell those 2 bags and get one without Vachetta. So that might give you an idea of what this is. I'm not going to show you guys the receipt and stuff. Hope you don't mind, but it's a huge box here. And it still had the Christmas packaging on it. So I still got the Christmas box and the glitter ribbon. So that's kind of cool. She didn't put the tag on it though, like, you know, like a gift. So, but which is fine to me because it's not a gift, it's for me. So let me take the ribbon off. I hope you guys all had a good Christmas or holiday or Hanukkah or whatever you guys celebrate. And you got all your gifts you would like. Like I said, it wasn't even for Christmas. I just bought this because I sold another 2 bags. Okay, here we go. And, ooh, it is, oh, can you tell? I got the new Neo Noe in the black. Let's see, shake it, baby, shake it. Get it off. There we go. I got it in the black. Let me close the box. Again, I got the black because I love the pink, but I was afraid the pink would get dirty, and I'm not really much of a red person, so I got the black. And it does have the new stitch strap on it. And I hope I like this bag. I don't know if I like bags until I use them. But since I had the old bucket style and the Petite Noe, and I really liked it, I'm hoping that I like this one too. Some people don't like it because it's kind of bulky, but I'm kind of used to that already. So I was lucky enough. I told my sales associate I was going to come get this. And on Monday, the store had 3, if you guys can believe it. Because the stores have been sold out of like everything, and even online has been sold out of everything all during the holidays. So I was like, you have 3? And she's like, yeah. And I said, they're all black? And she said, yeah. So I was like, great, because I love it when there's more than one, because she's nice enough to bring like both out or however many out and let me look at all of them and then pick the one I want. So when I got there, they had sold one on Tuesday, and I went yesterday, which is Wednesday, and they had 2 left. And she pulled one to the side that she had on reserve for me, which was not this one. It was a different one. And I looked at both of them, and actually this one was better. And what I looked for was I always look for smoothness on the strap. I feel around the edge of the glazing to see, if it feels smooth. And then it's particularly on this bag, what a lot of people have been complaining about was the pattern was uneven. So if you can see this one, it's not too bad. It's still like a little bit uneven, but the other one was worse. Like the other one, it was just not right. So this one was like the better one. And here's the other side. So you can see it's still not totally perfect, but the other one, like I said, the other one was not as good. This was the better one. And then I also looked around here on the bottom. You want to make sure this is all straight and not wavy, because some of them I've seen have had little indents and stuff like that. And you know what I also noticed, I'm not going to be able to you guys probably aren't going to be able to see, but I always inspect the inside, and the other one had, I think it was this front corner, okay, the other one inside where the seam is on the inside, it was like wavy, like it wasn't sewn perfectly curved. So I didn't take that one either. I got this one. So like, and you know, it's not like people are coming up to your bag saying, oh, your things don't line up. But this one was actually the better out of the two. And you can see it's still totally not perfect. So I just went ahead and took this one because I wanted to get the bag anyways. And I'm hoping that I end up liking it. So we'll see. You guys, I don't know. I have to use a bag I can usually tell after like a week or two whether or not I like it or not. So, but if I don't like it, then I just sell it on the Facebook page, and I'll get probably most of my money back. You can't list it for retail because people can just go to the store and get it for that much. But anyway, so those are my new 3 items. The new No AM Black, my Sienna PM, and then of course my little friend, my cosmetic cases. And I don't plan on, I say this all the time, I don't plan on buying anything new for a while. Of course, there is one bandeau out that I really like that's got these leopards on it. That's cute. So maybe I'll get that for Valentine's Day. But as of this point, I'm not going to buy anything for a while. Like, this is kind of a lot in a month. And then I'm going to start doing some reviews on my other bags because I haven't done that in a while either. So hopefully I'll start uploading some more videos. So I appreciate all you guys who watch and who've decided to keep me on your subscription list. And I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Bye.